I got PS4 Hex brand, and the customer said the right stick have some issue. So let's fix it. They have 4 screws. First one here, second, third, and the last one here. And this is the last one. They have also 2 screws. I never see them. Just be careful, they have 2 ribbon cables or 3. And this is the last one. Alright, this is the board. It's regular PS4 controller, and this is the audio jack. You can't take it out. This is the board, and let's change the sticks. Both stick is out. Let's put a new stick. Brand new sticks is available in our shop. Let's return all the part back and test. All screws is back. It's time to test. Gamepad tester, and as you can see, the stick is perfect. Let's check the right. The right is work also. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.